her own actions. The text, the account drain attempt, contributed to her current situation. Dodged a bullet, felt like. But they weren't done. This week, the real game started. Dirty trick day 1. Call for my HR. Anonymous complaint. Alleged misuse of company resources for personal legal stuff. False. I used personal devices, email only. And erratic behavior, suggesting instability. Thankfully my boss knows me, the complaint was vague. HR check logs nothing. A quick chat with me, I calmly explained basics, and they dismissed it. Clear attempt to mess with my job low. Ms. Cole noted it. Tough to prove anonymous source but adds to pattern. Dirty trick fake 2.
Everything went well until
Olivia's
I
mother
decided I needed
called.
to
Tears
take this a little bit
accusations.
more off.
How could you? She's struggling. Judge unfair. Give her more money. Think of the year she gave you. Same response. Olivia chose this. Lawyers handle financials as she requested. Can't discuss. Called heartless.